from False Gem, now one off the pegs and three wide with cover. Red Samurai, Sun and Assets in the three wide line on the outside of Right Interest. Turning out of the straight with about 800 metres left to travel. And the leader is Gavlin Ryoshi from Yentl Star, now within 2 metres. The second quarter was 32.6. On the inside third was Royden Flash. Going up three wide La Mosca. Between runners High Jinx. Then Red Samurai three wide with cover from Afriti on the inside. And then came False Gem, Sun and Asset and Right Interest. Down the back about 500 to go. And Gavlin Ryoshi leads Yentl Star 2 metres. Royden Flash third. Will be awaiting the express post lane. La Mosca's out wide from High Jinx as they quicken up. And then came Afriti. The third quarter was 28.1. Gavlin Ryoshi in front of Yentl Star a metre away. Then Royden Flash, High Jinx trying to get out, and then La Mosca turning. Gavlin Ryoshi from Yentl Star. Royden Flash is getting the run now. La Mosca's down the outside. Gavlin Ryoshi, Yentl Star, Royden Flash, La Mosca, Red Samurai. Then came Afriti. Royden Flash hit the lead. Afriti coming through. Red Samurai wide out. Royden Flash in front. Royden Flash got home and beat Afriti and Red Samurai. Then close up were Gavlin Ryoshi with La Mosca, High Jinx and Yentl Star. Then Right Interest, False Gem out wide and